Hey, welcome back. Well, I was out garage sailing the other day there and I came across something pretty neat. Old air compressor. Let's take a look. Picked this up at a sale for 30 bucks. This is an old Campbell Hausfeld air compressor. They called the Tankmobile. And what's really neat about this is that this is a World War II bomber oxygen tank. This is a G1 oxygen tank, and bombers some of them had up to 18 of these for the crew. What makes this real good for an air compressor is it has a stainless steel tank, and it can handle pressures up to 400 psi. Because of the when they put the air in on ground level, it's lesser pressure. When they get up high, it expands. It's a higher pressure then, so they gotta withstand that pressure. This is pretty neat that they came up with this and we're selling this. This is a single cylinder air compressor, and it goes into like a expansion chamber or water separator chamber, and you drain it out right there so no moisture gets into the tank. And I guess this compressor they used on their carry around paint sprayers, the Pressure Princess is the same pump. Now they did this in the ad is early 1950s, and by 1958 there's another ad. And they went with a more standard tank design, their own tank. And what's nice about this, I've seen a video on YouTube of them testing these tanks under high pressure. And a regular tank, if hit with a bullet, would completely explode. But these tanks, because they're I guess sectioned, that if a bullet goes into it there, it just blows out. It doesn't explode the whole tank. So that's a kind of a neat design there. And this is a pretty quiet little air compressor. Only goes up to about 70 psi. Kicks off at 50. Let me plug it in there and show you how loud it is. Let me plug it in here. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. It's just a regular 2-prong plug. Yeah, it's nice and quiet. And because the tank is so small, it doesn't take long to pump it up. And it could go a little bit faster. This is a 3/4 horse motor, but the pulley is kind of small on it. A larger diameter pulley would make it spin faster. Pump up faster. I think this is almost the original. Yeah, there's a kickoff there. Yeah, close to 70. I think this might be even the original gauge on it. And I think they just had a hose directly into it. I don't know if they had a shut off on it or not. It didn't come with this hose. I had this laying around. They just had the quick coupler on it there. Yes, that's a pretty neat little outfit right there. You don't see too many of these like this. And that the Campbell Hausfeld company would actually use surplus oxygen tanks like this is a pretty good idea. I also had to put a filter on it here. They didn't have anything for the intake. And actually on this tank, I'll move it a little bit here. It's still written on here that the pressure is up to 400 pounds. Still written on there. That's pretty neat. Yeah, like I was saying, I don't know if I'll paint the tank yellow to be original on the tank. Yeah, might look pretty cool that way. And a lot of these tanks there are used in the B-17s, B-24s, maybe even the B-52s, I'm not sure about that. So this tank could possibly have dropped bombs in World War II. Or helped drop bombs in World War II. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.